Welcome back to Planet Wildlife's 30-day photo challenge, day 15. Woohoo! We have made it halfway through. Day 15 was colorful water drops. Day 15 was colorful water drops. This was a really hard one. It's not literally a fail. I took a picture of water drops with color reflected in them. I just couldn't get it to look how I wanted it to. I tried all kinds of different things to reflect, pool balls, colored pens, M&Ms. Nothing ever came out quite the way I wanted it to. My table has major scratches on it. Finally, I just got really tired and cranky. I grabbed one, composited in a picture of Foxy into one of the bubbles, and called it. Lighting. I didn't use any external light on this, and maybe that was the problem. Maybe it needed more lighting. In post, I pushed the blacks to help bring up the colors, and the contrast and the clarity and the vibrance and the saturation, and it did work. It separated the bubbles up from the colors beneath them. For the composite, I used GIMP because my computer isn't dealing well with Photoshop right now. Come back tomorrow for day 16, which is balance. Yay, we're halfway there, you guys.